Hey, so after a long day of hiking, I'm back at the RV and I'm ready to make dinner. I will be making some ribeye steak that I brought from home. Some corn. And we picked up a salad at a local grocery store, so I'm going to go ahead and wash the pot and pan that I'm going to be using before I start making dinner. Open up with a good recommendation for at least a good brand. Okay, so now I have prepared the steak. I've cleaned it, and I'm going to put some seasoning. I did forget to bring some olive oil. That's what I normally would put on my steak before I either put it out on our Traeger or before I cook it in the air fryer or on top of the stove. But I'm going to work with what I have here. I will be using some butter. I have some Country Crock plant butter I'm going to be using, so that'll be in the pan to give it a nice sear and some good flavor. But I'm going to just put my dry seasonings on here as is without the ability to have it be adhered with some olive oil or something, similar. So the two seasonings that I'm going to be using today are this garlic pepper seasoning. I normally would add garlic salt and pepper, but I have a combo today, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I also have some Cajun style all-purpose seasoning. I like adding seasonings to my steak. I have a drawer full of seasonings, so it kind of hurt me that I could not have that available to me here in the RV, but this is RV life, so you just use what you have. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle on some of this garlic pepper seasoning. Uh-oh, that was a lot. This opening is way too big. So I'm going to do that here, just a little. And then I'm going to also put some of the Cajun style all-purpose seasoning on here as well. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Next, I'm going to fill my pot with the corn with some water so that I can get that going. go ahead and get the butter in the pan so that it can start melting and get prepared for the steak. Dinner is done. I have some ribeye steak. I have some cilantro lime butter, cilantro lime corn, some salad. I did forgo the bacon because I don't really like bacon that much, and then strawberries because I don't eat salad dressing. So I would normally make my salads more palatable by adding fruit. I like to add strawberries, grapes, and kiwi. Maybe not so much some other fruits, but this is what my plate looks like. It's going to be incredibly delicious and nutritious. I would show you me eating this on camera. However, as a family, we eat together, we pray before we eat, and then we chow down. So I don't want to break that sacred rule of ours of eating dinner together as a family. So in the meantime, just use your imagination.